Magandang buhay mga momshies! Oops, 2025 na. Palitan kaya natin. Blessed morning mga ka-coffee mates! Tara, kape tayo for another day, another sip of blessing for us all. And for our first cup this morning, sabi sa Jeremiah 17 verse 7 to 8, "But blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in Him. They will be like a tree planted by the water that sends out its roots by the stream. It does not fear when heat comes. Its leaves are always green. It has no worries in a year of drought and never fails to bear fruit." For that note, do we trust God fully? Do we know Him enough for us to trust Him? But I think I should ask first if do we trust someone we do not know? Paano nga ba tayo kumilala ng isang tao? Paano mo ba in-stalk yung crush mo? Paano mo ba inalam yung latest chismis? File ng mga screenshots? Kahit anong mga bagay na interesado ka. Ano ba? Eh diba, you invest your time, your effort, kahit nga money. For short, you invest yourself. Ikaw mismo. Pero what if sa kanya naman tayo mag-invest? Siya naman ang i-stalk natin. Mga words naman niya ang i-SS natin. Alam mo ba kung saan, ano at paano? Wala nang mas legit pang source kundi ang Bible. Ay, wag na mamshi, baka masunog ako. Ay sus, ikaw talaga sa dami ng minarites mo, pupu ka pa naman eh. Tsaka wala na mga boy sa heaven eh. Flowers nga daw mayroon dun. What if we get to know Him more this time? His works, promises, how powerful He is. His story itself. For sure, our doubts will be gone. Our fears will be gone. Our anxieties will turn into anxiety. Baka dun masabi natin, we fully, completely, absolutely trust Him. That's all for today mga ka-coffee mates. Reminding you all, a coffee a day keeps the grumpies away. And help, hooray lang tayo kay Lord. God bless us all.